I'm Casey Koviak.
And I'm Isaac Ramirez. We're glad to have you with us.
You know, it has been nearly 3 weeks since parts of East Texas were hit by powerful thunderstorms and several tornadoes. The strongest confirmed by the National Weather Service as an EF-2.
KETK's Ashlyn Anderson spoke with staff at a church campground in Lone Star. They'll be opening again tomorrow for the first time since severe weather struck.
What once had hundreds of trees forming the perimeter of the Lakeview Assembly Campgrounds is now cleared. Logs stacked one by one.
A beautiful valley that is full of trees that now has a beautiful valley that you can see the lake from. So there'll be a different beauty that is shown through His grace and kindness that He's given us.
The EF-2 tornado that struck 3 weeks ago tossed cars feet away from the grounds into trees and damaging the worship center where a group of ladies were hiding.
It has just really deepened my faith and really deepened my understanding of the sovereignty of God, that He is in control of all things at all times. And there's so much peace that comes with that. 5
events had to be canceled because of the destruction done, but Thursday they will open their doors once again.
It means everything that God has just moved in that situation, that they're able to open and get things back going and just shine the light to every person that they encounter.
As for the property itself, the campgrounds manager says it's unclear what will happen with the new open landscape.
We do have a program we're fixing to put out there about replenishing the trees. A lot of it's going to have to look at what my long-range planning committee wants to look at on what we're going to do now with those areas that are been cleared out by the trees.
His faith was not shaken, but grateful the damage wasn't life-ending and they can continue the mission they were called to. Ashlyn Anderson, KETK News.